What's up, everybody? Uh, I got a question for you. Are you mobile friendly on eBay? Are your listings mobile friendly? I thought the answer was yes because I always list. I do everything on the iPhone. It's the easiest way, in my opinion. So I was surprised to find out that all my listings were not mobile friendly. And I also found out a way to change it. And that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So right here, I got some of my listings. I'll just click on this one here. So you're going to go to your seller hub. You're going to hit edit, and this takes a second because I'm screen sharing, so might be a little slow. So you hit edit, and then it's going to take you into the listing eventually. All right, so you scroll down as soon as it'll load. I don't have my mouse with me. So you scroll down to the item description, and here it is over here, mobile friendly checker. So obviously you click on that, and it says your listing isn't quite mobile friendly. Let's fix it. So it's pretty simple to do. Hit fix it for me. It'll fix it. Now it says viewport meta tag correctly set. No horizontal scrolling. But you also got to remember to go down. I got to go get my mouse, I think. Oh, there it goes. So go down here, click save. And then before you do that, you're not done yet. You have to go down to the bottom and update the listing. So once you do that, then you can go back in and you can recheck it and make sure it's went through. As far as I know, you can't bulk edit mobile friendly all your items. If you guys know anything about that, let me know. But I don't think you can. It'd be great. But some people say you can, but I haven't figured out a way yet. So we're gonna go down here to this one I just did. I'm gonna hit edit. Hit edit again. Now it's gonna take a million years again. There it goes. So we're gonna go over here and go down. Check and see if it went through. I should have brought my mouse. Mobile friendly checker. And there you go. It's fixed. So now you can be mobile friendly, and hopefully that'll increase your sales. And I'm lucky I only have 47 listings right now. I kind of restarted over in January of this year. So some of you guys might have, you know, 900,000. Who knows? I don't know. I don't think there's a way you can bulk edit. Maybe if somebody can let me know, that'd be great. But I'm going to go through here and do all my listings and make them mobile friendly so I can drive some more traffic, hopefully, and make some more sales. So till the next video, guys, have a good one.